Hi, this is Johnny Mike Grevlin coming to you from Chicago, as usual, and today we've got a special treat. We're going to go back and spend a little time with Bears Law and a little something we're going to call Bears Law number 5. And to continue with our fancy new international vibe, I'm going to have Claudia introduce the show in Hungarian. Better than Zsa Zsa Gabor.
Sziasztok, Claudia vagyok, üdvözöllek benneteket a jogi beszélgetésekkel Mike-kal. Élvezzétek a show-t!
Oh, here we go again.
Okay, hey officers, what's happening?
How you doing today?
I'm good, and yourself?
Well, what's your name, man?
Ronnie Davis.
You're Ronnie?
I am.
I'm Detective Monspado.
Nice to meet you, Detective. How are you, brother?
Doing well.
Good.
Who is this?
Well, you have to answer our questions as well first. Why are you asking who we are?
Well, because I've got a case that involves yourself.
Okay, as we go here, I had to do a lot of editing with this video and use some static images just to clean it up. If you do want to see the original video, it's on the Bears Law site, and I do actually put a link to it in the description below if you want to do that. There, you know, you can imagine the sorts of things I had to take out, but if you want to see it in full, you can go there.
That's right.
And
This is from Jack again. He's about to get a commercial and probably get some jail time. Well, go ahead.
Well, I was wanting to speak with a few minutes.
You can. You can. Let me have that, son.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Do you mind if I speak with him alone, or?
You can if you wish to. Go right ahead.
You can hold it. We don't need cameras.
Well, we will. Go ahead. Go ahead and talk with that officer. Open that gate. A few different lawsuits go through because we got like 7 judges here in Florida going to prison. Praise God in the highest. And well, actually put a little bit of money back into that vehicle because I didn't want to see it just rot into the damn ground, man.
My dad gave me mine, so I ain't complaining at all.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, hey, when it's dad now, it makes it kind of special if there's a nostalgia there. What's wrong with your car, partner?
No, it's a K9 car, and if I don't pop the hood, the air will start getting hot.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Just pop the hood in the car. Take it. Somebody's made a complaint y'all must already be aware of.
We're aware of a couple of them. They've been harassing the hell out of us. We got like 5 lawsuits going. I got 2 judges begging me to relent. They're going to settle out and pay me fat or they're going to prison. Just like everybody else. I've taken over 100 children from CPS and DCF. The state has illegally extorted. There's like 74 police officers going to prison in Florida, all on account of me. Praise God in the highest. Because they're not honoring the oath of office under Title 18 U.S.C. 2381 and Canon number 7. So that makes...
Okay, from his prior video, he was telling me that he's got 11 or 12 judges in jail. Now it's 74 police officers in addition. I really, really want to see some proof of this. I assume they're all in there for capital felony treason. That seems to be his favorite charge.
I'm an extortionate scumbag, punishable with no immunity. So I put their asses in jail. And all of my deputies out here know me, and I have a good rapport with them, and I don't play. And I love handing out commercial liens to dumbasses. So Jack's probably going to get one today. Not too long ago, he shot out the tires on my truck over there, and I decided that, you know, it was my business, it's on my property. I don't have to report it because I educate in the law.
Oh boy, I'm afraid this is where he went to educate in the law.
All right, good evening, folks. Welcome to Monday Night Law on Kirk's Law Corner. We ready to learn some stuff tonight?
And so I'm waiting. Now that he wants to turn it up a little bit, well, maybe we'll turn it up a little bit. There's no laches and curs because it's a federal offense. So we'll just see how hard he is today. By the way, all of these people here, they do this. Bears Law Forensic and Science Team. Putting corrupt assholes in jail for the last 7 years. Jack's going to be one of them today.
Videos so much. That's what famous.
You are. Now you are, bro. For a little while. Nah, but I like it when I got some good officers around that honor their oath, that know the law. A lot of cops don't know the law. They think traffic tickets are law. It's a statute, code, and ordinance that violates Title 18 U.S.C. 241 and 242. We had an officer not long ago pull over 2 friends of mine. One was busted for pot. That judge is going to jail because pot's not against the law. It's against the statute, code, and ordinance. Then he tried to pull my same buddy over for traveling without a license and no insurance of la 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 la. And now that also got turned over. Noelle prosecute They called it mutual combatant, but the Supreme Court still standing case testimony says it's not mutual combatant. It's stupidity and ignorance and extortion on the law's behalf. So we don't give them acquiescence and we sue the sons of bitches because that's what they deserve. So this last week, and then Judge Grode asked my boy, please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. Please don't put me in prison. And Judge Grode is in fact going to prison. So's Judge Franklin. She's being investigated right now by federal marshals. I love that.
Frankie is officially skeptical.
Because they think they're smart, and they're dumb sons of bitches. That's what they are. When you don't honor your oath of office, I don't care who you are, I don't care what Freemason, Illuminati, garbage society that your daddy owns with good old boy money, your ass is going to prison. Because knowledge trumps power.
Yeah, it's like
and all your guns and bombs, and I don't give a who you think you are.
Marbury
But yeah.
versus Madison.
He just cited Marbury versus Madison. I can't take it.
Jack's a real piece of work, brother, and he's trying to disrupt Lisa's life. And that's who you should be talking with today. Because she's going to file criminal charges for harassment. Because this is the last time that this is going to happen. I've had CPS out here. My deputies love me. They know who I am here. Child Protective Services. And it's over the same thing. And because we have the right to know and address our attackers and accusers, it's going to be a bitch for them in a little while. See, I don't bother nobody, bro. And I do this for free. I don't even charge a fee to get these children back from
that's fantastic. You don't charge a fee for this horrible, horrible advice.
these corrupt sons of pork vomit. So when they try...
Done with you? Is he done with you? That's it? All right, quick. I'm assuming that was it.
You do realize the lawful judicial ass whooping he just introduced himself to, right? Now, guys, you just now heard me tell these police officers that my tires over there on the truck were shot out by Jack Haney using a firearm. And I didn't choose to press charges at the time, and I don't choose to now, and the state can't pick them up because that would be against the federal ordinance. So what I'd like at this time is if he tries any more crap with my family, I'm going to file a commercial lien against the state's hazard bond, the judge's bond if one signs, not stamps. Red stamps do not constitute a signature. They're illegal and invalid. Lisa, his ex-wife, who no longer wants his dumb, violent, abusive ass around, and now that the boys wanted to spend a summer with their father,
it's interesting that he ends up pleading guilty to a charge after this diatribe.
guess one of them wants to come back. He's trying to make trouble. He shouldn't do that. He's not playing with some dumbass country bumpkin working on daddy's good old boy, good Freemason money. I'm not that maggot. I educate in the law and a bunch of other things. So if he keeps on, I have the right to know my attackers and my aggressors. We will be filing a commercial lien against everyone involved, and I don't want that to happen.
You just said you wanted that to happen. You said you were excited about it. you got to pick a side. I mean, I'll grant you your pointless word salad, but you really have to be consistent within your rant. That's all I'm asking here.
So that needs to go back to our boss and our super analyst back at the Hive, honestly. With all due...
The super analyst back at the Hive. There is no Hive. There is no super analyst. If you wanted to actually get advice on this, what you would do is you would contact an attorney, and they would tell you it's all wrong.
Respect, without threat, without frivolity, and without vexation. Because if you're honoring your oath of office, you're just another brother, and I respect you and bless you. And Jack better leave us alone, and I mean that lawfully.
All right.
Any other questions
Okay, crazy.
you need, officer? Anybody else you need to see here?
Not at the moment, no sir.
Okay, then with all due respect, blessings, and please stay safe. There's a lot of good individuals. I grew up in a good neighborhood, believe it or not, in Baltimore City, and on the reservation where cops actually got into the law because they saw little ones being abused, mom having her ass whooped, dad beating up so-and-so at the local church. That kind of shit can't go. So if you are, just like you say, man, I need you here too. So does my little ones. I got children and grandchildren in this world. They need you too.
Right.
So, but yeah, all right.
All right.
Just have a good day, man. If anything else takes place, please let us know.
Have a good one.
All right. Bless you guys.
All he did was ask me if anybody had touched me or if I've been getting any drugs, and of course no.
Aw.
And what fuck?
Nobody better touch you either. Nobody better ever hurt you.
Yep.
Yes, buddy. That's okay. That's all right. Nope, that's fine. Nope, that's fine. That's on our side. That's on our side.
I mean, this is interesting. Like, okay, so somebody comes out from the government to check on something, and I don't know who all is there, but a lot of people there, if not all of them, run out to the gate. I mean, there must not be a lot going on. They really need some phones and some Wi-Fi, I think.
Nope, that's all right.
Come running.
That's all right. They're on our side. They're on our side.
Looking for, like, they took
Yep.
off.
That's what family
I left
sticks.
my
That's what
phone
family sticks
with
together
David
for, Bear.
because I asked him to keep trying to get a hold of that lady in the UK. So I didn't have my phone either.
So guys, go ahead. This is another rat.
Yep.
You brought a dog. What happened?
Nothing.
Nothing. The dog
brought a
left with
dog?
the tail tucked between the legs.
And thank God the other officer opened the thing so he could have some good cold air. Because if you leave the hood shut, the officer told me that the dog gets hot. The air doesn't work well if the hood's shut. So don't want the dog in there either. But here we go, Tommy. Would you, buddy?
Yeah.
Next time we could just charge you the consultation fee. We'd be like, I see.
I mean, that's just such a dumb thing to put on their video. The implication here is that they've got stuff they shouldn't, and the dog didn't sense it. It's just very incriminating.
You guys want to do this, but now
Why would you not have one of these on your team? You
Yep.
hear me say all the time, with all due respect, let the record reflect I'm not obligated to educate the judge in presiding over this case.
You're also not capable of it.
Hello.
Not obligated to teach these officers. He said we're going to start charging you the consultation fee.
Well, there you have it. Riley Lee Davis and the Bears Law Firm. There are a couple gems in there. Probably my favorite is that we need to take this back to the hive for the super analyst. And also the fact that he now has, in addition to his 11 judges, 47 police officers in jail. No evidence of any of this, but that's what he said. Well, as you can see here, I've got my fancy Sovereign Citizen Patrol t-shirt on. It's pretty cool. I got another one here. They all say Law Talk with Mike on the back. And ladies, I didn't forget about you. Here's the Sovereign Citizen Patrol shirt in pink. Law Talk with Mike on the back. And if you're bold enough to take a picture of yourself in one of these and send it to me, you can join the Sovereign Citizen Patrol and hang out with Ollie.